Kid to bring the drink.
Should I open it for you?
Me pay ya.
Sir, is there any other thing you want?
You know you're fine.
I don't understand. What kind of nonsense is that one?
Speak me.
I don't understand you. See, don't try that nonsense again. From my dad, is not a fine girl now. You don't do that thing. Don't try that nonsense again.
Adam, what you mean? Did you just slap me?
I slapped you and I'll slap you again.
Adam, what's going on? Can you imagine?
Shut up there. Daddy, can you imagine? This man came to this shop. At first, he was complaining, that we used to waste time. Before you know it, I gave him his drink. He started dragging me. Ada, you're a fine girl. You wanted to say something.
There's something wrong with you. Are you mad? What did he hit me? What did I hit you? What did he hit me? No, stay there. What did I hit you? No, come on, ask me that question again. Just because I was trying to talk. Come on. Can I go? If I come here again, What's that? Just my daughter. What's that? Hey. What is the meaning of that? Hey. Missy. What happened? Talk to me. What did he do to you? Are you okay? Are you mad? Yes. This is my daughter. Oh, you are even here to come and beat her in my presence.
In my father's presence. Do you know who this man is?
Adam.
Sir.
What happened?
He's a liar. She don't get respect for her. Doesn't have respect for her.
What did she do to you?
She not greet me.
Hey, he's a liar. It's a lie that I greeted this man. I greeted him, but he did not hear me.
Yeah.
You must then shout the greeting before you hear it. Can't you open your ears?
Wait. So, because my daughter, Adam, my treasure, did not greet you.
Yes, nah.
That is why you chased her, you beat her up. Eh?
Why would she insult me?
Why would she insult you?
How did I insult you?
That is why you chased her, because she did not greet you. Go. Lanudo! Idiot!
Nonsense! He can't pull!
I'm sorry. Did he hit you hard?
He hit me here. He now held me here. That's why my leg is
Sorry. Alright, let me use water. Sorry.
I cannot stay in this shop again. No.
Wait, want us to go home?
Let's go home. Let's pack and go home.
Alright, just stay here. Let me lock up. But I will not lock up again. Let's go home.
If you see the run I run, I kept on running from that place. You know that place now? That place. I climbed all the hill until I got to the shop. Like, my leg is paining me.
Sorry. It's okay. Sorry. So tell me, what really happened? Ada, you're not saying anything. Tell me the truth. Did you insult that man?
No. Insult K. I didn't insult anybody. I'm not insulting.
Then what happened? Why was he chasing you?
The thing is, you know how some people used to carry greeting as if it's their kidney. If you don't greet them like this, to be doing them like they took one of their kidney or one of their organs in their body. I greeted him, like I did not greet him, but I did not shout it. He did not hear it. He started confronting me and that I'm a rude child, that I did not greet him. He even held me. See this one that is here. It's because he held me tight with that his strong hand. He held me. I was shouting. He was busy talking that I'm a rude child. Yeah, I had to tell him the truth because the truth is the uncle was smelling. Even as he was shouting at me, his mouth, the odor was entering my nose.
I said
I just had to take off. Immediately he started beating me. I
said it. I said it. That you insulted that man.
I'm sorry.
You insulted him.
I'm sorry.
Why are you telling me sorry? Why are you saying sorry? I'm your father. I know that. I know how you react when you're angry.
That is okay now. I really said I'm sorry.
But that Izu is a very lucky man. He's very lucky out of giving him more beating of his life for touching my akwanwa. Yes.
I feel that I like the way you used to defend me. Even when you know that I'm wrong, you still fight for me. Thank you for being my Superman.
You're the only one I have, Ada. So it is my duty to protect you, to fight for you. So all these boys will not take you for granted. Thank you.
But Daddy, did you sell anything today at the shop?
Today was somehow, but I tried. I tried. But just that, let's just see how the day will be. We might go back to the shop. But for now, I want to take care of your wound now for you. Yeah? Done.
Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. Please, take care of yourself, okay?
Take care of myself. We're going together now. Let's go. Are we not?
Going to the shop with me together?
Yes.
No, please. Adam, I want you to stay at home today. No, don't worry yourself. I've washed the plates. I've swept the house. The food is ready. Whatever you want to eat, eat. All I want you to do today is for you to rest, sleep. Don't do anything
Daddy,
for me.
I don't like to stay at home. You know.
I know. But for today, you will stay. In fact, you will stay at home until you are fully recovered. In fact, I will be convinced that you're recovered.
Daddy, I am fully recovered. Look at now. My leg is no more paining me. And you need help at the shop. You will cook, you will clean, you will sweep, you will fry meat, you cook pepper soup, you even go out and buy a drink.
Hi. Madam, thank you very much for your care. I appreciate. Okay? I am your father. And the last time I checked, I am the one to give instructions to follow. Okay? So I'm saying for today, you have to stay at home until you are fully recovered.
Okay.
Is that fine?
Okay.
Good. I'm leaving. Bye-bye.
Just promise me you will not soliloquize.
Soliloquize? Do I do that?
Yes, I've been meaning to ask you, what is bothering you? Each time I see you, you'll be talking to yourself. I try to listen to what you're saying sometimes, but you're whispering too low. I can't even hear you. What is wrong, Daddy?
Adam, that is a man. Okay? And a man will always think of how to better his life. Anytime you see me soliloquize, know that I am thinking of how to better your life, how to make you live a very good life. So it's nothing to worry about. Okay? I don't want you to ever bother yourself. That is fine. And I want you to be fine as well.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay, sir.
You know I love you.
I love you too, Daddy.
Be a good girl, okay? Relax. Anything you want to eat, tell me. If you want pepper soup, I will send them to bring it from the shop for you.
Okay. Thank you, Daddy.
Please, don't do anything for me. Okay. How is your wound?
At least the redness has reduced.
Okay. You'll be fine, yeah? Let me go to the shop. They're waiting for me. I have to go to, those drinks that we do not put.
That's what I'm even saying.
Don't worry, I'll bring them by myself. Don't worry yourself. Just go and relax. That's what I want you to do for me today.
Oh yeah, now I'm sitting down.
Oh, I want to sit down here. Go inside.
I just want to see you go. Bye-bye.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Yeah.
I'm going inside. Bye-bye.
Please go inside. Don't sit outside here.
Don't worry, I'm going inside.
That's your CMO be my guy. Can't CMO be my main man. How now?
Ben.
Look at how fresh you become.
Kissing of 2 weeks.
Just 2 weeks, yeah. You're not fresh. I'm happy to see you.
Doing now?
I'm fine.
What about your daughter?
My beautiful daughter. She's fine.
So finally, have you been able to figure out what to do with her?
Something like what?
Whether for her to further her education to higher institution or to learn a skill. So which one have you been able to decide for her?
Cassie, did you come back from the city to this village to mock me?
How?
No. Did you come back to remind me of what I'm not supposed to do? Or what I'm supposed to do that I'm not doing?
Ben, listen, you are misunderstanding me. You see, the reason why I have to remind you is in case maybe you have forgotten. That's why I beg no verse. But I think I'm just doing the needful.
You're not doing the needful. You're just trying to make me feel that I'm not doing my best as a father.
No.
You know that the money is not there.
No.
You know. You know that a plan with that money is plantain.
Hey.
How can you just come and spoil my mood?
But
I am going to my shop.
I'm coming with you then. Let me see what you have there.
Daddy.
Madam.
I know that I'm a child to you. Yes, I'm a child. But at least I'm grown enough to know when somebody's bothered. And I can see it clearly that you're bothered. Talk to me now. I'm your daughter. Oh. Talk to me. What is this thing that's bothering you like this? I've never seen my dad like this.
I owe you good life. I said I'm going to provide everything to make sure that you have a good life. But look at it. Look at it. It looks like I have failed you like a father.
No. Don't say that one. You've not failed me as a father. You've provided everything I need and want for me. I've never asked you for anything and you refuse to give it to me. Anything I want, you give it to me. So I'm satisfied. I'm satisfied with that one. What more can I ask for? What more do I need?
Institution. Skills. These are the two basic things of life that I've failed to give to you.
But Papa, I'm already learning a skill now. And by God's grace, after learning the skill and putting it into practice, I'll get money to put myself in a higher institution.
You're already learning a skill?
Yes.
And you didn't tell me. What skill is that?
Papa, this one we are doing here is not skill. Papa, this is the best skill ever. Look at me now. At this age, I started learning how to attend to customers. How to differentiate original drinks from fake drinks. How to cook pepper meat and sausage. What more can I ask for? Dad, did you know that I failed to tell you this enough? Your pepper meat is the best. Your delicacies, they are the best in this whole village. And I'm happy I'm learning from the best. At least, very soon now, I'll open my own restaurant business. By God's grace, something bigger than this. And I'll start making money. I will send myself to school and also take care of you very well.
Ada, you know, you're only saying all these things to make me happy and cheer me up. So, but I'm praying to God. I am praying to God that in my next life, you come as my daughter. And I will provide everything, every single thing that you need to make you comfortable. by God's grace. So.
Amen. God will do it for us. God will do it for us. Daddy, what I need you to do now is stop drinking. Stop drinking like this. And take a walk. Ease your mind. Don't worry. Don't think much about anything. God will sort it out for us. We are already doing our job. We are working. So God will give us from what we are doing. You understand?
I understand.
So please, I don't like the way you've never taken something like this before, like this. Eh?
You know I am. Try! What would I have done without you?
Nothing.
Yeah, take it away.
Let me go and keep it. I'll just store it for you.
Yes. Thank you very much.
One.
I don't mind.
Just don't think about anything much.
I will not. For the fact that you have said stop thinking. I'll stop thinking. Thank you. Hi. What would I have done without this girl? I will make it in this life. And I will provide everything that she needs. By God's grace, so I will.
Ada, did you go to Gariki to bring my drink?
Be fast now.
For 50 minutes I ordered for that. You have to be fast. Bring, open it now.
Be fast.
Ada, come.
What, yeah? You have
Just miss everything. Miss everything.
Thank you, Adam. Okay, yourself, bro. Just normal.
50,000 naira.
50,000.
Why?
That's big money.
Enough money. You know, this is the first time we're making this kind of money since we started this business.
Yes. Daddy, tell me, which strategy did you use?
Prayer. You know, when I woke up this morning, you know, it's hardly I pray these days, but I woke up this morning and said, God, please flood this shop with customers. And boom!
Wow.
God did it.
Prayer really works.
50,000
Wow.
works. So, see, take this one. I know that you need, and you know that you have so many things to buy for yourself. Oh yeah, take this one.
Wow, Daddy, thank you.
Thank you.
At least I can get some things for myself. Thank you so much for this money.
You're welcome.
And do you know that if you continue at this rate, making 50,000 every day, very soon we'll have enough money for me to enter university.
It's true. It's true. But Ada, you know, sometimes I feel you are too small to enter into the university.
Too small?
Yes, now.
How? I've written my WAEC. I passed in flying colors. What else am I waiting for? The only thing that is holding me now is money.
Yes, it's true. It's not like I'm not grateful to God, though. I'm happy that I have an intelligent daughter. That very soon I'll be father of a university girl.
If you're walking on the road, you'll be brown.
Father of a university girl is coming. Clear road.
Yeah. So, but do you know what I think?
Tell me.
I think we should be saving money every day. Or every week. Maybe daily contribution for my school. So that we'll set a target. Maybe by the end of this year, we'll have just enough money for me to start.
Yeah, so that it will not be difficult for us to pay for school fees.
Yes.
You're right. Father of a university girl. Think very well. Ahead. So whenever we come into this shop, tell me, what will be the first thing we should do?
Pray.
Prayer is the key.
Pray. We'll pray first. And I'm coming.
Okay, please check that in there. Check. Is it on?
Wait, what?
Too fast now.
Welcome, sir. Sorry, sir.
Why would it take you time? Why would you be sorry?
Sorry for the waste of time. Please, what would I bring for you?
Get me a bottle of Tiger. Chilled one.
Okay, sir.
bringing tiger say we still take around that 1 hour to bring. Did he go to Adakirikiri to bring the drink?
Should I open it for you?
Me pay ya.
Sir, is there any other thing you want?
You know you're fine.
I don't understand. What kind of nonsense is that one?
Speak me.
I don't understand you. See,
how much
don't
money?
try that nonsense again. Oh. From my dad, is not a fine girl now. You don't turn that thing. Don't try that nonsense again.
Adam, how much you mean? Did you just slap me?
I slapped you and I'll slap you again.
Adam, what's going on?
Can you imagine?
Shut up there. Daddy, can you imagine? This man came to this shop. At first, he was complaining, that we used to waste time. Before you know it, I gave him his drink. He started dragging me. Ada, you're a fine girl. You wanted to say something.
There's something wrong with you. Are you mad?
What did he hit me?
What did I hit you?
What did he hit me?
No, stay there. What did I hit you? No, come on, ask me that question again.
Just because I was trying to talk.
Come on.
That kind of goat. If I come here again,
Don't come here again. What kind of nonsense is that?
Can you
If I see
imagine?
you in this shop again, it's not only blow that you will collect. It's not only blow that you will collect. Nonsense, man.
I'm sorry about that, okay? I'm
It's
sorry.
fine. I know that if I had let that thing go any more longer, he would have gone to touch other places.
He will never do it again. I'm sure he will never come back here again.
Let him not come back. I know we want customers, but you see that type of customer that will be harassing somebody. I don't want. Don't even pay for the drink.
It's okay. It's okay.
See the way he was complaining here. Hey. Sorry, sir.
Yeah, get under tiger claws. Just
So sorry about this. You see what he did? Sorry, sir.
Ben, what is wrong with your daughter? Why is her face like that?
I don't know. She was not like this when I left for the shop in the morning.
Let's go and find out.
Dirty.
Adam.
Bless you.
Ada, how are you?
Adam, you don't look happy. What is the problem?
Ada, what is the problem? Talk to us. Did anybody insult you? Tell us.
Please now. You know that you are all of God. Whatever that's bothering you will bother us.
We go to the task.
Please talk to me. What is the problem?
Daddy, you've never said anything about my mother since you've never even talked about her. I want to know about her. Is she even still alive?
Ada,
Yes.
it's too early to
How is it too early? I'm old enough to understand everything. If you can just explain to me. Who is my mother? Where is she? Is she even still alive?
just go inside. I'll come and talk to you later.
There is a serious problem. Listen, you have to tell this girl the whole truth. This is the time.
No. Don't say that.
What do you mean?
Not now. Not now.
Listen, Ben, if you fail to do the needful, if you fail to tell this girl all she should know and she gets to find out herself, hey, this girl will hate you for life. She will hate you.
No, I don't think so. As a matter of fact, where I know that she'll be very angry at me, but hating me is out of it.
Says who?
She can't.
Says who?
She can't.
Listen, she's old enough to know whatever she wants to know. This is the right time. I am just telling you this thing now for free. Do it all.
Adam, what is it?
Nothing, sir.
Nothing, sir. It's no longer daddy.
I'm just not in the mood to have any conversation right now, please.
Look, Ada, I am your father, okay? You should talk to me.
And I'm fine. I'm fine.
I know that you're not fine. Something is bothering you. Please, what is it?
Okay, I'm not fine. I'm worried.
Why are you worried?
You're asking me why I'm worried. You pretend like you don't know why I'm worried. I asked you a question, but you refused to answer me.
Ada, I did not refuse to answer you. Just that it's not the right time to give you the answers you're looking for.
Oh, because I'm still a child. Okay now, let's wait till I grow old, right? Till I grow old to the point I cannot walk anymore. To the point I don't have teeth in my mouth anymore.
Look, it's not like that, okay? Just give me some time. I know I'm going to tell you whatever it is you're looking for.
Yes, girl, you can say that again. I hope you're fine. Yeah, I'm okay. I haven't seen you for some days now. Oh, okay, that's good. Girl, I am so proud of myself and my achievements right now. Of course, it's been years already. See, girl, let me tell you. Whatever thing I did is in the past now. This is my future. And I'm going to enjoy it to the fullest. Of course. No, nobody will hinder me. No, not at all. Nobody will hinder me. Yeah, of course. Don't worry about my past. You don't know about it. It's not someone you know. But don't worry, when I see you, I will gist you. Yes, I will tell you everything. Sure, I will. But meanwhile, will you be chance, let's say, next tomorrow? Yeah. I want us to go somewhere. Okay, no problem. Till we'll see then. Yeah, I will gist you everything. Alright, girl. Take care of you. Of course, I will do that. He will hear. Bye. Becky. Whew.
Adam.
Sir.
I just wish I won't break your heart.
No. You won't. Just tell me, please.
The truth is, I don't know who your mother is. I've never met her before.
You don't know who my mother is? Then how are you my father? Like, how come you're supposed to know who my mother is?
I adopted you from the orphanage.
You adopted me?
Yes.
So wait, you're not my biological father?
Yes, I am not your biological father.
But all my life, you've treated me like I'm your biological daughter. You defend me, you fight for me, you give me everything I ask for. Why?
My daughter, you will not understand.
I will understand, Daddy. Just explain everything to me, please. Please. Have you been married before? No.
I've never been married before.
If you have never been married before, then Why did you adopt me?
Because I love children. Okay, I was the only child of my parents, so I needed children to be I wanted to have company with them. You know, because relationship has never been my thing. It has never favored me. So I decided to adopt you for you to be my friend and everything.
How old was I when you came to adopt me? How old was I?
A month old.
A month? Wait, my parents, what about them? Did they lose their life or something? Why was I 1 month old and I was in the orphanage?
I wouldn't know, but I was told that they abandoned you at the orphanage. So I came and took you home.
My mom abandoned me?
So I was told.
Why would she do that? Wait, did that mean I brought her bad luck?
No. As a matter of fact, when I had the information, I said, no, this child cannot be here alone. I had to take you home.
I just hope that woman, wherever she is dead. Because I can't stand anybody coming here to tell me she's my mother anymore. I can't stand.
No, Adam, please, no, please. I do not want you to wish anybody dead. Okay? And as a matter of fact, nobody, I repeat, nobody will take you away from me. It's not possible. Okay? Just feel free, feel relaxed. See, this is why I didn't want to tell you. Because I know it was going to hurt you. Alright? I'm sorry.
It's fine. I'm happy you told me all of this. At least anytime she comes out to claim me or claim being my mother, I will just tell her that I know everything.
Simple.
And that I will never go with her.
Simple, and you run away. You just have to run away. Okay? Just cheer up. I didn't want to tell you because I knew I was going to break you like this. I needed to tell you the truth. Because
thank you so much for telling me the truth.
You're welcome, my darling.
Honestly, I can't stand anybody coming here to tell me that she's my mother.
Nobody.
After abandoning me.
Nobody will do that. That is why I'm here. That's why I'm your father. Okay? I love you too, my love. I love you too.
A single dad was always there, walking out to give me the very best.
Are you okay now?
Fighting everything I need.
Oh, babe.
Honey?
Oh,
You're done.
I'm perfuming a good fragrance. Bought a new perfume?
Yeah, I got a new one. It's different from the one I was using.
You see what I'm saying? My money. You're enjoying and eating my money.
Okay, that reminds me. Honey, I will need some money to make my movements tomorrow.
Oh. See. I've told you to forget about all this. Please.
No way. I can't. See, babe, I need to right my wrongs. I need to find them so I can make peace between us.
What if they deny you the opportunity to right your wrongs?
At least...
I don't want issues, please.
At least, let me try first. Then, we can take it up from there.
See, if I give you money, this will be the... I will give you money, but please, not after this. So.
But nothing.
No, not after this.
But nothing. You will bring money, nothing.
What is all of that?
No. This face doesn't even look familiar at all.
At all?
No, at all. I've not seen this face around this place before. Not at all. Sorry.
Okay, thank you.
Alright. Have a nice day.
Okay.
Alright, bye.
I can handle this.
Handle what? Ben, what is the meaning of this? Why are you lying to this girl? Why will you be lying to this girl all the time? Why not tell her the truth? Now that she's like, it's like she knows about everything that's going on. Why not tell her the truth and stop lying to her? Stop lying to this girl.
Are you by any chance shouting at me?
Oh, because I should shout at you because you're not doing the right thing. This girl in question is our girl, and I'm your friend, your best friend. I have your best interest at heart.
Are you aware that this girl in question is my daughter and not yours? Are you aware?
Oh, she is now your daughter and not mine. No longer our daughter. Okay.
Look, I'm sorry. Okay, I didn't mean it that way. Sorry.
She's no longer our daughter, but your daughter.
Sorry.
Remember, we're in this together. All right?
Look, let's see. Look, I don't want you to get too emotional about this. Yes, she's my daughter, yes, but I know that you're like a father figure to her. Yes, it's true, but it's... sorry. Cassie. I said sorry now. Don't complicate issues for me now. I'm just trying to see how I can handle it. Are you here shouting at me? Eh?
Oh, baby. How did it go?
No hope at all.
No hope? Wait, are you sure the address you got from his former apartment is correct?
I'm sure of it. Because the guy that gave me his number was his neighbor when he was staying in that compound. And they were close friends.
See, I know it has been years for now. So maybe he has packed out from that apartment. And you're still going there looking for him.
I think so. Because I showed his picture to everyone around. No one knows him. No one seems to know his whereabouts. I don't understand.
That's okay. See, you have to take it easy, all right? We'll find a way out. We'll find a way to sort this out, please. All right?
Honey, please. I can't do that now. Seriously, I can't. I need to find him so that we can sort things out. I need my baby. But meanwhile, I'm so tired. Let me just take a quick bath.
Please do.
Join me.
Women and child.
Ada?
Sir. Sir.
So,
Hold on.
Yeah, how much is it?
2,500, sir.
Ada.
2,500.
Yes, have this one. Have this. Take it now.
11,000.
I love the way you assist your father here. I love your commitment. Keep it up, eh?
Thank you so much, sir. 11,000 there is a lot. Daddy! Daddy, come and see. Our customer here bought something of 2,500 and give us 11,000 naira.
Why?
The thing is, Ada is a very good girl. I love her commitment and the way she attends to customers. She's good.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much,
Thank
sir.
you very much.
But why is she not in school? Because she's supposed to be in school now.
Sir, I've written Wayeko. I've gone past all of that and I passed in flying colors, but we're just hoping on God to give us money to further the education to university.
As well, Ben, just make inquiries for the payments. I will sort it out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sir, university?
Yes.
Hey, so Sure, thank you. Thank you, sir.
God bless you.
Thank you so much,
very
sir.
much. Thank you.
Oh.
Thank you.
This is my card. Once you make the inquiries, just contact me.
Okay, sir.
I'll call you.
All right.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much,
Chairman.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Take it off, eh?
Thank you, okay, sir.
I'll be a good girl.
Okay, sir. I will.
All right. Yeah.
He said he's going to source the bills. Everything, university. And he gave us 11,000.
I'm shocked.
Jesus.
This is cool.
Only one customer. That means by the time we sell today, we'll get like
50,000.
Hey!
Let them keep coming.
Let them keep coming. Oh. See, these are the type of customers.
I am telling you. 10,000.
Ada.
Hey. Kokasi.
Where did your mind travel to?
No, are you just coming?
Yes, I'm just coming.
Okay. But my father is not around though.
Yeah, but I'm not here to see your father. I'm here to see you.
I know you're here to either give me money for my daily contribution or tell me you don't have. But see, let me give you the good news. Somebody said that he will take care of my university, like from beginning to end, both school fees, textbook, registration, everything.
Eziokwu.
Yes, so I don't think there's any need to be giving me money for my weekly contribution anymore.
And who is this person? This good
I don't know
Samaritan?
him. It's just that he comes to this bar regularly. I've seen his face 1 or 2 times. He comes here. Yes.
Yeah. Oh, congratulations to you, my dear.
Thank you, sir.
But you see, that will still not stop me from doing the needful. Because you are my little baby, okay?
Uncle, no, see, please.
Wait.
Hi.
Uncle, see,
don't worry.
I will not stop giving you this money. I will not stop giving you.
Uncle, you are bringing out all the money in your pocket.
Yes, now, because it's part of my job.
See, uncle.
Wait.
It's okay.
Thank you.
No, Uncle, see, don't worry about it. Don't give me this money. I mean, the only reason why I was saving money before is for my university. Now that we have a good Samaritan that says he will pay for everything, just keep this one for yourself.
Ada, you don't want to get me angry, do you?
Sorry, give me.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
When I entered here, you were thinking your mind was somewhere. So can you tell me, where was your mind? Please tell me.
I was just feeling pity for myself.
Pity for yourself? How do you mean?
I mean, the fact that I was adopted is making me question myself. It's making me ask so many questions about my mother. Who is she? What does she look like? And why did she even dump me at that orphanage gate that day?
Ada, you're thinking so deep. All these things are not necessary. Listen, you have your father.
No, he's not my biological father. He's not. Uncle. What if my father hates me in the future? I mean, what if he starts treating me bad? Or start maltreating me?
Ada, like I said, you are thinking too deep. Say, your father will never hate you. Your father will never maltreat you anytime, any day. He loves you so much. And the love he has for you will never allow him to maltreat you.
Okay, but what if he gets married tomorrow now? And then his wife doesn't accept me?
See, if he had wanted to do that, he would have done that long ago. So, relax yourself. Don't bother him for anything. Okay? Alright? So, just relax your mind.
I love my father so much.
And your father loves you too. Right? Yes. Okay? So, stop thinking too deep, my dear. But why now? Why would you tell that girl that kind of lie? That lie is too heavy. I'm bigger than that girl.
What lie are you talking about?
The lie is bigger than the girl.
No, what lie are you talking about? That I'm not her biological father? Or that the mother abandoned her? Or that I don't know her mother? What? No, answer me. What lie are you talking about?
You know the lie I'm talking about. But you and I know the lie I'm talking about. You know it.
Kasiemobi. Don't be an enemy of my family.
How?
Let me handle my daughter myself.
Ben, these explanations are very close to the truth. But then, truth is truth. And you and I know that I like being straightforward. I don't like things going hanky-panky, zigzag. Tell this guy the truth, oh. Else, I will tell her the whole truth I know about this whole thing. Oh yes, don't push me. If you push me, I will tell her the whole thing, oh. Don't push me.
Try me now. No, try me. Just no. Try me this time.
Don't push me.
This our relationship. You want to spoil it because of something you feel that you know that I can handle. No, try me now. No, tell her. Hey, Adam. Is it be fast now? I'm late.
1 minute. Yes, it's complete.
Let me see this one.
Complete.
It's complete, have you? Ada, you did not arrange this one very well.
No, you were rushing me. I did not have the time to do all these things.
Okay, sorry.
But it's complete. I've counted the home.
Okay. Adam, you see the way customers were praising you about the pepper soup that you prepared.
That's because I learned from the best. Yes, and I told you this thing I'm learning here is skill.
I now believe you. And you're learning so fast.
Thank you, Daddy. You're the best cook in the world, so why won't I learn it very well?
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
And don't worry. By the time you're through and I make this money, I'm going to make you proud.
Me, I'm going to make you extremely proud. I'll make plenty money, go to school, come back, and start giving you
if
plenty
you make
money.
that plenty money, I'll pack everything. Adam, let me quickly rush to the market.
Okay.
Let me go and buy meat. We don't have dry meat again.
The customers are still coming. They are coming.
Don't worry, just keep them so that they will not go. Keep them company. There's a drink I kept at the back of that fridge. Nobody has touched it. That this customer that is coming, please serve him. He's a very special customer.
Who is that person?
The fair, there's this fair guy with big
Mr. Ego.
Oh,
I don't worry.
Please serve him that special drink I kept. It's very cheap. Let me go and come back.
All right now.
Adam.
I'll be waiting for you.
Adam.
I'll be waiting for you. Let me prepare the fire.
Please.
By the time you come back.
Hello, excuse me. Fine girl. Excuse me. Fine girl, how are you doing?
Fine, ma. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Please, I'm looking for someone.
Who is the person?
His name is Arize. I was told he stays in this area.
This area? What job does he do?
I don't know. He is fair in complexion, a bit tall. He's an engineer and he works in a certain company in the town.
Inside town?
Yes.
Not this community?
No.
And he lives here?
Yes.
Honestly, I don't know anybody that fits to this description in this community. I don't know.
My phone is off. I would have shown you his picture. And I didn't come out with my charger.
No, ma, sorry.
All right. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I really appreciate it. Thank you. All right. Bye-bye.
I'm back.
Ada, you wasted time now. I told you to just give me something to eat and I'm hungry.
I'm so sorry. I got the tea. Even the your change is inside here.
Please go and make
You
some.
know what's wasting my time is one woman like that saw me
Okay.
and stopped me and was asking me of engineer Nwachukwu. He said the person is fair in complexion and lives in this community. He works in a company inside town. Yes.
Did you say engineer Nwachukwu?
Yes, you know him.
No. Just that the name sounds familiar and no, I don't know him. The woman, can you Can you describe her? Do you know her name or something?
How am I supposed to know her name, Daddy? I don't really know how. The only thing I know about her is that she's dark in complexion. That's the only thing I know. She did not come down from her car, so I don't know if she's tall, average heighted or short. I don't know. But is there any problem?
No problem. I thought it was someone I knew, but it's not him. It's not him, yeah, no problem.
Because I was thinking, in this community, this is a small community now. Everybody knows each other here.
Yes.
And I don't know any engineering
No.
that works outside town. Company. I don't think anybody of that level lives in this community.
I've not heard such name here.
Oh, you're hungry, right?
Very hungry. Please get me something to eat.
This
Please.
I'm coming. Just hold on a minute for me.
Thank you. Engineer Nwachukwu.
Hello. Oh. Okay. Please, I am so sorry. I didn't save your contact. That was why I haven't reached out to you. Really? Where? But I've been there several times and no one seems to know him. Wow. Okay. I will meet you there first thing tomorrow morning. All right. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you. All right. Oh, God, this is good news. Thank you, Jesus. Hi, honey. Yeah. They have seen him. Yes. Remember the day I told you I gave someone my number to contact me immediately they see him? The person just called me now. Yes, I will be there first thing tomorrow morning. Yes, I'll be going there. I am so happy right now, seriously. Alright, honey. See you soon. Bye. Oh, God. This is good news. So finally, I will get to see my daughter again. Rita, it's all your fault. It's all your fault.
Aaron, please, don't just start now. This is not the time to blame anybody.
You are not even interested in finding a way to solve this issue. You are making things look like I'm the only one involved in it. This is about us. We are in this together. And we must fight together. I can't do this alone. I can't.
Aaron, why are you talking like this? Why are you talking like this? See, I understand how you feel. And I feel the same way too. I just want you to calm down, please. And take things easy.
I should calm down and take things easy. Just hear yourself. I should take things easy when someone is in possession of what belongs to us.
But you know we can't fight them. You know it. You know the consequences. You know the consequences. That is why I'm telling you to calm down and take things easy. We're going to sort all this out very soon. Take it easy, okay? Because of the consequences. Calm down.
Adam, hurry up now.
I'm coming, I'm coming.
We're going to be late today. Now.
I was dressing up. You know I had to change because of my clothes.
We are late now. We need to be at shop.
Sorry.
Let's go.
Daddy, I had a dream last night though.
Dream? What kind of dream?
In the dream, I was in a pit. I don't know how I felt in, but I was just there. I was screaming for help. And then one woman came, but she couldn't help me, so she just left. But then Uncle Okezie now came and now helped me.
You fell inside a pit?
Yes.
Falling inside a pit is a bad omen, no? It's a bad omen. But well, I thank God. You said Okezie saved you, right?
Yes, I thank God for Uncle Okezie. Thank God.
Thank God that you were saved.
But I've not even seen Uncle Okezie for days now. Are you sure he's okay?
Yes, me too. I've not seen him, but I'm sure he's fine.
You know what? I'll go to his house. Maybe after we're done from the...
No. You will not go to his house.
Why?
Ada, I said you will not go to his house, and I'm sure you will not disobey me.
Okay.
Let's go, we're late.
Good afternoon, sir.
Ada.
Good afternoon, sir. Sir, please have a seat.
No, I'm in a hurry. I have a business meeting.
Okay, sir.
So how are you?
I'm very fine, sir.
You're always busy. So where is your dad?
Oh, he's at home.
Okay.
But very soon he'll be here.
So a quick one. So have you made inquiries for the admission fee?
The truth is, we've not made proper inquiries. But from what I heard, they said admission is no more ongoing this year. It's until next year.
Wow. Oh. Okay. So what will happen? Because I wanted to give you money for the admission.
Okay.
So it's like I'll give it to you, give it to your dad, so he can adopt to the business.
Okay, sir.
All right. So I will contact him so that I can, call him.
Okay.
So whenever, maybe by next year, then you set for the admission.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you so much, sir. But sir, I want to ask a question. Why are you doing so much for me and my father?
The thing is, I love seeing girls, being hardworking. I love the way your commitment, in your father's business. How I wish I had a child I can also teach my business. But you're doing perfectly well here.
Thank you so much.
Keep it up.
Thank you, sir.
I love that.
Thank you.
All right, let me be going now. I need to catch up.
I guess you meet with my father later.
Yes, I'll call him. Huh?
Okay, sir.
All right, just
Thank you so much, sir.
All right, take care.
Thank you.
All right.
All right. Eh? Taste it. Do you like it?
Adam.
I knew you like it. I made it specially for you. I've already eaten my own.
Adam, you good cook.
I know. I'm learning from the best now. Why won't I know how to cook very well? See, tomorrow I'll make pepper soup for you. Homemade though.
Homemade.
Not shop.
Not shop made.
Yes. I will use that remaining meat that's in the fridge. And I'll spice it very well.
I cannot wait.
Assorted. I'll put both afwan, towel. I'll put beef. I'll put goat meat. I'll put
bele nama.
What's there? Oh, Uncle Okezie. Uncle Okezie.
Ada, hello.
I'm fine, thank you, sir. Welcome, sir.
You're welcome.
How are you?
Yes, so I'm fine. But how you doing?
I'm fine. Oh, it's just that I've not seen you for a while now. Why haven't you come to visit us?
I've been very, very busy. Yes, a lot of things is taking my time.
Okay.
Yes. Look at this thing.
What's that?
Just open it. I got some good clothes for you. I know you'll like them.
Oh, thank you so much,
Yeah,
sir. Oh,
3 clothes, cha.
Yes, no.
I'll try them on. Thank you so
Easy
much.
be changing up.
Okay, sir.
Be looking nice for me.
Thank you so much.
It's alright.
Okay. How are you?
Should
I bring food for you?
Don't worry. Don't worry. I know you. I trust your meal. But I have to rush to somewhere now.
You're not going to stay?
I have somewhere I want to rush to. Then I said, let me deliver this small message.
Uncle Kazi, I want to ask you a question.
Okay.
Now that my father is here, are the both of you quarreling? It's looking like the both of you are quarreling. There's a problem, but you people don't want to tell me. What is the problem?
Ada, we are not quarreling. We don't have any problem.
But you came in here and it's unusual. The both of you didn't greet yourselves. He's even giving you a condescending look. Like, why? What is wrong? Talk to me.
Ada, don't worry. Men have their own ways of settling differences.
Is that why you told me not to visit him? Daddy, tell me. Why are you both fighting? Daddy.
Can you allow me to eat this food in peace, please? Thank you.
Ada, test those loose. Tell me.
Happy.
Nonsense.
Nonsense.
Rubbish.
I guess this is where they stay. Good enough. Today is fruitful. I still don't believe this. What happened? Why will Arise reduce to nothing? God. It's okay.
What are you doing here? What do you want?
Please, calm down. I'm here for peace. I want us to talk.
Talk about what? What exactly do you want to talk about with me?
You know what, Arise? I'm sorry. I was only naive then. I did what was best for me. You know that.
If you know what is good for you, if you do not want to see the other side of me, get out of my shop now. I said get out of my shop!
Arise, please. Please. We really have a lot to talk about. I am so sorry for all this. Arise, please. Just give me 10 minutes of your time.
I don't have 10 minutes of my time! Get out of my shop this minute! Now!
Please, calm down. Calm down.
Get out of my shop!
Calm down. I know you are hurt. But we can still settle this peacefully. Please.
Get out of my shop. Get out of my shop. See, I'm sorry. Look, I know I have offended you, but I'm sorry. You're my friend. What are friends for? But right now, I need your help. Please.
Ben, you need my help. You need my help in which way? In which way do you need my help?
Look, help me. I don't know what's going on, but it looks like my whole world is about to crumble. Yes. Help me.
Okay. What is it?
Is Irene?
Irene?
Yes.
What about her?
Irene was at my shop earlier.
Are you serious?
Yes.
What for? Why?
I don't know. I don't know. It seems she wants to. I feel like everything is about to, leave me. It seems I'm about to lose everything. I don't know. I don't know. But I chased her away.
Better.
I asked her to leave my shop immediately.
Okay.
She was telling me that she wants us to talk.
To talk about what exactly?
I don't know. So I'm scared.
Where is Ada now?
She's at home.
Okay. She's at home.
Yes.
And Irene, she's still in the shop.
No, she left. I told her
she left.
Yes, I asked her to leave.
Ada's in the house. Are you sure this lady did not go to your house? Because there's nothing she cannot do. Let's go there.
No, let's go. Adam.
What's the problem? Is anybody chasing you?
There's no problem. Are you okay?
I'm fine now. It's just that you just scared me now as if something's coming.
There's nothing coming. There's no problem.
Hey.
Everything is fine. Everything is fine. But that's all about that. Adam.
Oh, yeah.
The woman the other day you told me about. Can you?
Which woman?
The woman that was looking for engineer Nwachukwu.
Oh,
that woman. Can you describe her for me?
Like I said that day, I don't know much about her. She didn't come out from her car. The only thing I know about her is that she's dark in complexion, yes.
What car did she drive that day?
She was driving a black Sienna. Is there any problem?
No, there's no... All right, go ahead. Nah, to the shop.
Okay, to the shop, yeah.
No, don't worry. Everything's fine. Everything is fine.
The thing again, she's supposed to tell. You're hiding.
Okay, mean the pepper soup, don't worry. I'll give it to them. Okay. When I get to the shop. There's no problem, my darling.
Why are you hiding and talking about pepper soup?
No, there was a man that came to the shop. He was requesting for pepper soup. I said,
never made other vocation.
Very quick pepper soup. I said, oh, let's go.
Let me just follow you to the shop.
Adam, no, now. Wait.
Since it's for occasion, that means you need to cook plenty pepper soup. You need my help.
We have to go to the market.
The market.
Let's just go get the meat. No.
The dowel and the test time. You know it's good for pepper soup.
It's okay now.
And then John.
Yes. So Adam, there's no problem. There's no cause for alarm. Daddy,
Never.
We got it. Okay?
Okay.
Yes.
That's our week.
Alright.
Watch door.
Yes.
See you.
Yes.
Come back. Even though I might come to this.
Don't worry.
Arinze.
Ben is the name. Don't call me Arinze again.
Okay.
I do not remember inviting you or giving you my house address. What are you doing here?
Please, calm down. I came for us to talk. Please hear me out.
There's nothing, absolutely nothing to talk about with you. Okay? I don't have anything to talk about with you.
Arinze, looking at you right now, we really have a lot to talk about. Just take a good look at you. What happened to your job?
You have no right? No single right to ask me questions. Right? You have no right whatsoever to question me. You have no right whatsoever to know what's happening in my life. You have no right whatsoever to walk into my house to ask me silly questions. You are the reason why men swore not to have anything to do with women. If you know what is good for you, get out of my house this minute.
Okay, I will leave. But please, how are you coping with her? Is there any way I can help? Anything at all? Are you crazy?
Are you normal at all? Is something wrong with you? I said get out of my house this minute.
Please, calm down. It hasn't gotten to...
Don't tell me.
Okay, okay, I will leave. I will leave. It's okay. I will leave. I'll leave, okay.
I said get out!
Alright.
Shameless thing! You think you have the right to come here and ask to question me? Who do you think you are?
Uncle Cassie, how are you?
I'm fine.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Yes, it's afternoon. Where is your father?
Oh, he went home.
He went home?
He's at home.
Has it been long he left?
Yes, so I'm even surprised that he's not back because he told me that he'll be back in a bit.
Okay. I think I have to go to the house and see him. Yes. Okay. I have to go now.
Okay. I'm just so happy that the both of you have settled your differences.
You know, men, we don't hold things to heart.
So are you trying to say that women hold things to heart?
Thank God that you not say so. Did you hear anything like that from my mouth? So you don't go and put words into my mouth and say, let me talk.
Let me finish up. Very soon we'll start having customers.
No, but let me just go and meet him up there.
Okay, sir.
I'm gonna know.
All right.
Ben. How far?
How far now?
I'm okay. I went to the shop. Ada told me that you're in the house. You went to do something. And you're also going to be very snappy.
Yes, I came to do some chores so that when she comes back, she will rest. Yeah.
Why is your face like this? What happened? Nobody saw it.
Irene was here.
Irene what? To come and do what again?
Can you imagine?
Here.
Can you imagine that girl has the audacity? She had the audacity to come here and offer me money. Asking me what happened to me.
Imagine.
How am I coping? That she wants to help me. How am I coping with Ada? Can you just imagine that nonsense?
Here. Hey. Ben, something is wrong. See, Ben, you are about to lose this girl. You are about to lose Ada.
How do you mean?
Ben, you have told this girl a whole lot of lies. Yes. This two things going out of hand. Because it's high time you tell this girl the true story. Yes, you should know your own side of the story. Let me tell you, the whole lies are getting so much. And if Irene goes first and start telling this girl the story by herself, this girl will start hitting you for not telling her by yourself. Yes, now. Yes, but you have to be very careful. At this point, this matter is so delicate that you might lose it if you don't use your head now and do the needful as fast as possible. Do this explanation yourself. Do not allow Irene to do it. If Irene gets to see this girl again, there will be a problem.
Yes, I'm confused. Trust me, I'm totally confused. Help me.
You know what? We're going to work it out. Only if you will take my instructions. Because I know you will.
Everything I need, always passing through the very test.
Adam.
I'm
tired of not doing anything. The shop is empty. Nothing is happening. Like, we've not even made any sales today.
No single sale. and it's 4 p.m. already. Why?
Daddy, this thing that's happening now is because you're not paying attention to the business.
Adam, how do you mean?
Yeah, now. You did not buy drinks today. You did not fry meat today. We are relying on leftover drink and meat. And you know that it's not everybody that used to like these ones that we have here. We have to buy different ones so that anybody that comes, we can still give the person. Daddy, tell me, what is bothering you? What exactly is bothering you?
Adam, you see that woman that came looking for Nwachukwu yesterday? Anywhere you see her, run. She's a bad woman.
How did you know her?
Adam, can you stop asking questions and do as I've just said to you?
But curiosity. Sorry. Is she a bad, like, how bad is she? Is she like a ritualist or...
Ritualist.
Ritualist?
Yeah, ritualist. So anywhere you see her run, the other day she came to the other side, everybody started running.
Hey.
So if you see her,
Lord of
also,
Jesus. Lord of Jesus, I cover myself with the blood of Jesus. I cover my family with the blood of Jesus. I cover this shop with the blood of Jesus.
So let's go and pack. Tomorrow we'll come back.
Hey. So she's a ritualist.
Strong one, oh. Yes, she's a bad woman. Run anywhere you see her, run.
Have you seen? There's a car coming to our compound.
Go inside now. I thought I warned you never to step your wicked self into my compound. What do you want?
My child, Arize. Give me my child and you will never see my face again.
What child are you talking about? What child are you talking about? Answer me. Do you have a child with me?
Yes. I left my 4 days old baby in your care.
Can you listen to yourself? You left a 4-day-old child in my care to do what? You left and you disappeared. You left her and you disappeared and you expected her to survive? No, she didn't survive, for your information.
You know that's a lie. I saw my daughter walked into this compound few days ago and I'm here for her, Arize.
If you know what is good for you, get the hell out of my compound. I do not want to see you here again.
No, listen, young man. Don't talk to my wife like that. Listen, I will take every other insult. I won't take you. Talk to my wife anyhow. What's wrong with you? What's your problem?
Please, I am very, very sorry. I am here to right my wrongs. Please, whatever it is, just say it and I will do it. Please. I want my child. I beg of you.
Yes, sister.
Please.
Just name your price. Alright? Just name it. We'll give you money. I have enough money to give to you. Please.
Anything you want, just name it.
You want me to name my price?
Yes.
Are you sure you can pay?
Just mention it.
I want you to disappear from the surface of this earth, Irene. I want you to die. Irene, I want you to die this minute.
No, stop this rubbish. What's your problem? How can you talk to my wife like that? Are you okay? Listen, I can take everything. I won't take that rubbish from you. What's your problem? Can you imagine? Do you want to fight me? That my wife should die? Please. Do you want to fight me? Okay. What's your problem?
You know what is good for you? Get the hell
out of my compound!
It's okay.
Get out of my compound now!
Please.
Get out of my compound before I deal with both of you! Shameless, irritating, disgusting people! Get out of my compound now!
Arize, that's enough. Please, that's enough.
Shame on you! Shame on you! I don't want to see you ever here again! Shame on you!
Arize,
This is not the end of this, man. I am coming back for my daughter. Have it at the back of your mind. I am coming back for my daughter.
And if I see you here, trust me, you will not remain the same. I will make sure I cut you into pieces. Shame on you! Adam, look, please. Can you just come and eat something? You've not eaten since morning. Please. Talk to me. I am still your friend. Please. Please.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me, Mr. Arinze. You lied to me. I trusted you. I trusted every single word that came out from your mouth. You decided to use that fact against me? I don't even know who you are. I don't know anything about you. I don't know who you are. And the relationship between the both of us. Who are you exactly?
I am your father.
No. You are not my father. My father will never look me in the eye and lie to me. My father would never tell me that my own mother abandoned me at the orphanage gate when it's obviously a lie. My father would never tell me that he adopted me when it's a lie. My father would never lie to me. He would never hide who he is from me.
Who I used to. Ada, who I used to be. I used to be an engineer, but life caught up with me. Everything about me crashed. Okay, I tried as much as possible to pull up together, but I lost everything in one day. I used to be.
But that is not an excuse to lie to me. It is not. You should have told me. I would have understood everything. Why did you even lie to me about my mother? You told me you don't know anything about her. You told me that my mother is a ritualist. Why? Why did you even tell me that you adopted me?
Yes, but I adopted you.
How did you adopt me? When you know my mother very well. So how did you adopt me?
Ada, look, I'm very sorry. I know that this hurts so much. I know that you've lost your trust over me, but trust me, I did this for us. Yes.
That man that came earlier, is he my biological father? Or are you my biological father? Who amongst you is? You don't want to talk. You don't want to talk. Really? It's fine.
Grew up with a father's kid, a single dad who was always there, walking out to give me the very best, providing everything I need, always passing through the very test. But as I grew older, questions arose about my mom, and the truth nobody knows. Now I know, and it sets me free. And love that is so real.
Which kind you want in this?
I'm going to give it to you. Hot, hot.
See that people see there.
Very fun.
And they no open. Bros, they no open.
You know, see,
That shop they open. You don't say I see they lock as I stand there, they wait for David.
What happened now?
You don't ask person where they walk here now.
Babe, it's not my fault now. It's not my fault.
Let's go to somewhere else now. That woman over there sells good pepper soup.
But their pepper soup, their goat pepper soup, na top notch. I tell you.
No, baby, let's go to this place. This small place.
Where is it far from here?
No, it's not far from here.
You sure?
Please, babe.
Don't they call you babe now? Your money go here, amo. My money go here, my man. They don't they call you babe now. She can't hear your stuff. Why this man no?
Jesus Christ. Ben, look at this. These are the things I've been warning you, I've been telling you about, but you wouldn't listen to me. See, Ada now has mind of her own. She's mature, she's no longer a baby. She can take her own decisions. That you should tell this girl the truth. Tell her everything she should know about her true existence. But you wouldn't listen to me. Now look at where it has landed you. Hey, listen now, you are sick. And Ada cannot assist or help you.
I don't know. She has abandoned me. She said she doesn't want to talk to me. She hates me now. Yeah, she hates me now. I don't know what to do. Over a week now, we've not opened that shop. She has not gone there to sell anything. I don't know what to do.
It's okay. It's okay.
I need your help. Please help me talk to her. Yeah. She has refused to go to the shop. There's no one in this house. She has refused to do anything. She does not talk to me. She does not do anything. And for over a week now, we've not opened that shop. Now, can we feed?
I will talk to her.
Please.
I'll try my best. But first of all, I think you need to take some medications. Sorry, you need to take some medications.
Yes. Cassie, you don't understand. There's no money in this house. Where can I get drugs or whatever to take? I don't have.
It's okay. I'll try my best. Just that I don't have anything on me now, but let me check the house. If I can see anything, then your BP as well should be checked. I know your BP. Yeah, definitely your BP should be checked.
It should be high. It should be high. So just help me, please. Help me.
Don't worry. Let me look out for something to get you.
Yeah, I'm waiting for you. Okay.
Malaria and typhoid medicine.
That's it. I'm waiting for you.
No problem. Yeah. Don't just wait. Yeah.
Thank you for coming.
It's alright. Don't worry. Definitely. I'm always there for you. Jesus, man. I told you these things.
Barrister. Good afternoon. Yes, I've called you earlier, but you didn't take my call. Okay, Barrister. Are you at the court now? Yes. It's about my child. I told you earlier. Barrister, I have told you earlier, I want my child. And I don't care who gets hurt at the end of it. Yes, I want my baby. Okay. I'm already on my way going home, but I can reverse. Alright, I'm coming to your office right now. Please, we really need to talk about it. It's serious. Yes, we really need to talk about it. It's serious. Alright, thank you, Barrister. I'm on my way. Yeah, see you soon.
Where could she be by this time of the night? Where could she possibly be by now? Eh?
If anything happens to that girl, I will not forgive myself.
Even me, I will so blame you because I warned you, but you did not listen to me.
Kasimobi.
I warned you from the onset.
Kasimobi, do you derive joy in blaming me all the time? Eh? Do you derive joy? Eh? Haven't you blamed me enough? You know I'm not feeling well. At some time I'm looking for my daughter. Instead of you to find solution and you're here blaming me. Why should you keep blaming me?
It's okay. I think you have to go inside now while I go look for her.
Yeah. This is what you should be saying. Find solution and not to blame me.
Okay. Come and go inside. Let me go look for her now. It's getting so late.
Adam.
Ada, what is this now? Where have you been? I've been looking for you everywhere since yesterday.
I was at the shop.
You were at the shop then, but I was there last night. I did not see you now. Where have you been?
I was inside.
You were inside? Ada, you have to calm down. Hey, look at your face, your eyes, everywhere is swollen up. You have to calm down. Take things easy. Take things easy. Besides, you have to come back to the house. Your father is there, sick. He needs your attention.
I don't have a father. I don't know who my father is. I've never seen him before.
I understand you perfectly fine. I know where you're coming from. But remember, your father did everything he did just to keep you because he's afraid of losing you. You see, you have to calm down and understand this.
You're confusing me. What do you mean my father did everything he did just to keep me?
Yes.
He did what just to keep me? Oh, wait. So, Uncle, you're part of this? Because you seem to know a lot more than I do.
You see, this place now we are now is not the right place to have this kind of conversation. All right? All you need to do now is to give your father a second chance. Give him a chance to explain things to you. Tell you the whole truth that he knows about you.
I'm disappointed in you, Uncle Okezie. Honestly.
Ada, you're working out on me. It's wrong. Ada, come. You cannot work out on me.
Ben! Ben! Oh, there you are. Ben, stand up! Where is that your useless daughter? Where is that useless thing you call a daughter? Where is she?
Useless? I don't have a useless daughter now. What are you talking about? What is the problem?
Your daughter came to my shop to buy something. Instead of concentrating on what she came to buy, she was busy telling my customers that I sell expired goods. Call her out. She should come out here now and tell me where she has seen me selling expired goods. Call her out.
Silva, if you look at me very well, you know that I'm not feeling well. Please, just forgive her. She's nothing but a child.
Oh, a child? Ben, a child, Your daughter wants to destroy a business that took me years to build in just one day. Ben, and you're calling her a child. Warn her.
Okay.
Ben, you know me. Warn her. Don't let me come back here again. Warn her. If I do, this whole village will be too small for all of us.
It's okay. I will warn her. Sorry. It's okay. It's okay, eh? Ada! Ada! Ada, when did you start causing problems in this village? When?
Today someone came here and insulted me and you didn't do anything about it. Instead, you called me to warn me. You didn't fight for me as usual. I knew it. I knew that a day like this will come, but I didn't just know it was too soon, considering you're not my biological father.
I don't know. Why would you say a thing like that? Why? No, why? You know I'm not feeling well. I know. If I'm too strong, if I'm healthy, I would fight for you. Sorry, please, forgive me.
I don't even need you to fight for me anymore. I don't need it.
That's it. Ada. Can I say my daughter, please, can you get my drugs and water for me, please?
I'm not your daughter. Stop calling me your daughter. You're not my father.
I am your father. Please.
You are not my father. At least that's what you told me. Even if you lied to me, that is what you told me. You're not my biological father. So please, stop talking to me.
Ada, I beg you. Can you stop this? I know you're hurting, but please, can you just stop this and get me water to drink with my drugs? Okay? Look, I am your father.
Stop calling yourself my father. Stop it. Stop it. I'm not your daughter. I disagree to be your daughter.
Okay, you should not disobey me. I am your father.
And I said stop putting it to me that you're my father. Is that not what you told me? Stop it. Stop the lies. You have to stand on one place, not on the fence.
And I am trying so hard not to hit you. You're under my roof, and I do not expect you to disobey me.
Also, it's now about who's under whose roof, right? It's now about me being under your roof. Fine.
Ada.
You're looking brighter today. Your face is not dark.
Yes,
Okay, I think you're getting better.
Yes, I'm thank God I'm getting better.
Sure. What about your daughter, Ada?
Yeah, she just stepped out.
But the grandma,
we had a little misunderstanding this morning.
Misunderstanding? I thought we had this agreement that this period you should be mindful of how you talk to her. Just avoid having problems with her.
Did I do anything to her? How could I possibly do anything to her? I only asked her, get me water and drugs. That's all. And she just flayed up and left.
Are you sure this is just the only thing that you did to her?
No, I cannot possibly intentionally make her angry. It's not possible. I did not. That was all I asked her and she left.
Well, I understand what she's going through this period. You know, it's not easy for a young girl to be going through this type of brain. But it's fine. Where is she now?
She just left. She left. Maybe she's at the back of the house or somewhere, but she's not here.
Let me go look for her.
Please. Please. We cannot continue to live like this. This cannot continue to be this way. Just tell her she's breaking my heart.
Ada, my little girl, what is it? Did your father say anything back to you again?
He talked about me living under his roof. I guess he wants me to leave his house.
No, Ben can never say such a thing to you.
So wait, are you saying I'm lying? You're calling me a liar like my father? Oh. Really?
And I said, try and stop this. What is all this? See, you have to stop this. Why are you doing this? See, the earlier you stop this type of life, the better for you. Your father loves you. Besides, he's very ill right now and needs your attention. And he will get better only when you start giving him attention.
I don't even care about everything you just said now. All I know is that my days in this house are numbered since he doesn't want me under his roof again. And you shouldn't even be acting like we're close. I'm angry with you as well. What? You knew all these things. Why didn't you tell me? Or better still, advise your friend, your so-called friend, to tell me.
Ada, I did, trust me. I did. But he has his reasons for not saying the whole thing to you.
So why didn't you tell me by yourself?
How will it look like I'm exposing my friend's secret to you without his consent? I'm not in a better place to say that. Okay? Try to understand me. Try to understand.
So I want to ask, are there any more lies that I would need to hear? Because I've already gotten used to the lies.
Have I ever said any lie to you? I have never said any lie to you, even now.
How will I know if you've said any lie to me or not? All you and my father do is lie.
Ada.
Please.
Ada.
I just need my time alone. Please, no. Just leave me.
Ada, you don't...
Should I leave?
You want to lose your daddy? You want to lose him to the cold hands of death?
And I said I don't care. I just want to be alone right now, please. Can you leave or I will just leave?
Ada?
Okezie, what are you doing here? You're not supposed to be here.
What do you mean by that?
Nothing.
Ada, are you not tired? Are you not tired of being a sadist?
You call me a sadist? Uncle Okezie, you're calling me a sadist? Really?
Ada, you're not tired? This is not you. Ada, this is not you. This is not the girl I raised.
The girl you raised?
Yes.
So tell me, I thought it was my father that raised me before. What other lie are you holding from me?
Ada.
Don't Ada me, uncle. No, don't Ada me. What other lie are you people holding from me?
Ada, you have to calm down now. You have to calm down.
Answer my question. Don't tell me to calm down. Every time you guys just have something you're hiding. Why? Are you my real father?
Ada, listen. If you must hear the true story of your existence, then you have to calm down and listen to your father.
Answer my question. Are you my real father?
Well, in the other way, I'm also your father. Yes.
I can't take this. This is too much for me.
Searched for answers, and the truth came into light.
I'm happy at least. I'm happy your face is more brighter than before. At least now you can take care of yourself and do things for yourself as well. But the most important thing is that you must find a way to stop this chaos between you and Ada.
I know. You know, I regret ever lying to her. I should have told her the truth. I should have just, told her the truth.
Imagine, I told you, but you wouldn't listen. So now look at just what is causing.
I see. I need your help. Okay, I need you to help me talk to her. Maybe she could listen to you.
That is not, the matter here is not even about talking to her. You need to tell this girl the whole truth. Tell her everything she should know about her true existence. See, tell her connections with everyone. Tell her everything. Be open to her.
What if I tell her all these things and she decides to leave without returning back to me?
That is where you're getting it wrong. Do your own bit first and leave the rest to God. Listen, you must leave matter for Matthias. Tell this girl all she should know. See, she has a mind of her own now. Let her make her own decisions.
Well, I've heard all you've said. Okay, I'll talk to her. I pray she listens to me.
Yeah, you have to.
But what if she doesn't listen to me?
I don't know. I don't know. Like right now, she no longer want to hear me. She no longer like me like before. Just like you wish she used to shout Uncle Okezie and the rest of them. Nothing like that again. We are no longer in good terms. Where do I even start from? Ada is in the worst days of her life.
She'll be fine. I'm sure she'll be fine. By the time I'm done talking to her, I'm sure she'll be fine.
Please, she really have to. You have to really talk to her. Let all these things stop once and for all.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm greeting.
Good afternoon. What do you want?
I am your mother, your biological mother.
What do you want?
Please, just hear me out. I want to explain myself to you.
Please. I don't want any explanation. First of all, I'm going to forgive you for calling yourself my mother. Now leave my father's shop.
He is not your father. Just give him a chance to...
Can you leave this shop? What's the meaning of this one? Please, if you don't want to buy drink or buy meat or buy anything, just leave. Please, I beg you.
Okay. Let me explain myself to you.
I don't want any explanation. I don't want any explanation. Leave now that I'm still being calm.
Just hear me out. Okay, see. I will take good care of you. I will give you everything you want.
Madam, please. Can you just leave this place? I don't want to use violence. I don't want these villagers now to gather for the both of us. Just leave this place. Please, I beg you.
Okay. I will leave, but I will be back. Just think about what I have told you.
Oh, what do you want from me? Leave! Now. Okay. You want me to raise my voice before you leave? Don't tell me to calm down.
I should leave.
Please.
Okay. But just think about what I told you, okay? Okay, I will leave.
My biological mother. This is the money I made from shop today. Take it.
You can take the money. I don't have any use for it. I have my own. Just keep it.
I don't need the money. Take it.
Madam, I'm sorry. Forgive me. Find a place in your heart to forgive me. I'm sorry. Please.
Can you take this money from me? Please.
I don't need the money. Just use it. Just.
Excuse me.
Ada, I'm sick, oh. You should know that I'm sick. I am sick, oh.
The man I called my dad wasn't my real son. He raised me as his own, with a love that shone so true. But I had to leave to find my real past and discover the truth that will always last. Now I know, and it sets me free. A love that is so real is a love that's meant to be. I found my real mom, and the real dad who didn't care. He didn't care. Now I know, and it sets me free. A love that's real is a love that's meant to be.
You shouldn't have locked that door. Yes, because he might want to come out now, and the door is locked. Hey, and the tap is very far from here. Let me just go and come. No, let me open the door. Let me open the door.
Madam, we searched everywhere. We couldn't see them.
Are you sure you recognize the house I showed you?
Yes.
So if you did, why didn't you see anybody? Did you go to the house?
Madam, we went to the house. Everywhere was locked.
If they are not in the shop, they should be at home. Then if they are not at home, not in the shop, where else could they be?
Probably they went somewhere else today, and they will definitely come back. So just don't worry, we'll go back there tomorrow.
Okay, no problem. There is no need for that. There is no need for that. I will let you guys know if anything comes up.
Okay.
For now, let's just keep our fingers crossed. And you will get your balance soon.
Very important.
Very.
Sure, you will. All right, thank you very much.
All right.
I saw them searching the whole compound. Are you owing anybody?
Owing? No. Not owing anyone.
I don't even know whether you're lying to me or saying the truth. And to be honest, I don't even care. For your information, those people looked very mean. They looked like they were kidnappers or armed robbers or something like that. So if you're owing anybody, Whether you're saying the truth or not, just sort yourself out and stop putting this house in danger.
Ada, please. I need you to be very careful. Look, those people are kidnappers. I am sure that woman set them to come and kidnap you. Please, you have to be very careful. I beg you.
Honestly, I didn't know they were here for me. If I'd known, I would have followed them instead of live in the same house with a liar.
Ada. Irene, I am so sure that you're the one who sent those kidnappers to come and take this child away from me. But listen to me, wherever you are, I speak to you in the spirit. You will not take this child away from me. You will not take this child away from me. I promise you.
If she is really the one behind this, then we are losing this girl.
Nobody, and I repeat, nobody will take that girl away from us.
Listen, we are handicapped right now. Yes, because she has everything. She has the money, she has everything she needs to work with.
Not when I have Ada. Look, you know how we suffered to get this girl, to raise this girl. You know that this condition that we are now was because of this girl. And somebody from nowhere wants to come and take her away from us. I will not let that happen. If you will let it happen, I won't.
Listen, the only thing here right now is if this girl is going to be by our side. If this girl is not by our side, then we are losing it.
You know the most annoying part of this is that girl is beginning to annoy me. Yes, she's beginning to annoy me. She now does things on her own. She does not listen to me. You know, I don't know. I kept wondering, that girl is not, because she's not even like someone that we raised.
Hey, you are the cause now. You are the cause of it, because I used to tell you, say, do the needful. You wouldn't. Now, look at where he's leading us to. He's leading us to somewhere we do not know.
You see today, it's either she listens to me or something else will happen.
Here. Are you going harsh on her?
I don't care. Cassie, I do not care. All I know that girl must listen to me today. And when I'm done talking to her, whatever she wants to do with her life, whatever she wants to do and all that, it's not my business anymore. Let it just be that I have spoken to her.
You will not have the strength to hold an argument with her. You don't have the strength at this point. Listen, let it not be that you are blowing things out of proportion.
I'm not blowing things out of proportion. I'm only doing the right thing, and I'm saying it now to you that this girl must listen to me today. Else, something else will happen. No.
Hey.
I have things I'm doing inside. Let me. Look, tomorrow there's a place I want us to go. There's a new customer I found that we'll go and buy drinks from. Do you understand? So you follow me there tomorrow.
Let's secure this girl.
Ada!
I'm sorry I lied to you. But I'm going to tell you the whole truth now. Your mother and I, we are actually in a relationship. I met her in a supermarket where I went to buy groceries. I approached her. We exchanged contacts. After a while, we started a relationship. So, she started living with me. I was doing well. I was working in a construction company. I was an engineer. So at some point, I decided to propose to her without her consent. Unfortunately, my company wrote me a letter that I'll be traveling out of the country for a 3-month course. I left, leaving your mother in the house. Unfortunately, I came back from the business trip. I found out that your mother was already pregnant. Babe? Babe? I'm home.
You're back?
Yes, I'm back.
Why did you come now?
Babe, aren't you supposed to be happy that I'm back?
Yes, I'm happy. You're welcome.
Are you okay?
Yes, babe.
Baby, you and I know that you're not okay. I've been away for 3 months, and is this the way you're supposed to welcome me? What's going on?
Babe, I'm sorry.
You're sorry? Sorry about what? What's going on?
Babe, I'm pregnant.
You're pregnant? You're pregnant? Come on, you're supposed to be happy. You're supposed to rejoice. Come on, what? You're pregnant? I'm going to be a father? How old? Babe, you're pregnant.
It's 2 months old.
Two months old? How possible? You've been cheating on me.
Babe, please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Irene, what?
Please forgive me.
Why? Do I deserve this? No, why did you cheat on me?
It was a mistake. I promise I will not do it again, please. I'm sorry.
Oh my goodness, Irene, why did you do this to me? Do I deserve this? Do I deserve this?
No.
Why did you cheat on me?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, please.
Who's the father?
You don't know him.
Is he aware?
No. I don't want to tell him.
Do you want to abort it?
No, babe. I am scared of my life. I can't abort this baby.
And I won't let you abort it, okay?
Okay.
You and I, we are going to keep this baby.
Okay.
We're going to raise this child together. Okay? It's going to be between you and I, okay?
Okay. So, that means you have forgiven me.
Yes.
Thank you so much, baby. I love you.
I love you.
I love you.
But
thank you.
It's okay. It's okay. I felt so bad. She pleaded and pleaded and pleaded and cried. I had no choice than to forgive and accept her back. I took care of her. She got pregnant and she gave birth to a baby girl. I got back from work one day. After 4 days, she left a letter.
Arize, I am so sorry for everything I've done and did. Please find a place in your heart to forgive me. By the time you return, I must have gone far away from here. Thank you for supporting me during my pregnancy journey. God will bless you dearly. Honestly, I am not ready to settle down with any man for now. I need to live my life to the fullest, and I don't want any marriage or a child to stop me from living my life. I am sure the baby will be taken care of. You are a good man, and I pray that God blesses you with a good woman too. I love you so much, Arize, but I am not ready to go through this stress. I tried several times to abort the child before you returned from your journey, but the baby refused to go. I got scared of my life. Thank you so much for standing by me. I will see you again someday. Goodbye, Arize.
That she has disappeared, leaving a 4-day-old child under my care.
4 days?
I didn't know what to do. I was shuttling from work to home. Sometimes I'll come back home very early, which I'm not supposed to. I was having a setback at work because of my, inconsistency. I sought for nanny, but I couldn't find. So Cassia, my friend, who was doing very, very well, had pity on me and I said, okay, fine, let him see what he can do. If he can, I think he said he was going to get his sister or something, but along the line, the sister didn't show up. So we are trying as much as possible to take care of you so you won't fall sick or become unhealthy. So that night, he decided to sleep in the house with you while I go to work. Unfortunately, the next day, Cassie went to his shop and found out that his whole shop got burnt. Out of that shock, the next day I went to the office. Getting to my desk, I found out that I was given a sack letter. I didn't know what to do. All my plans, all my financial plans were wrecked. But I swore that I must take care of this child. I will not let this child suffer. So I remained single till death. Because of you. So I'm sorry. I'm sorry for lying to you. I lied to you just because I didn't want to lose you. I was scared of someday some woman will just come out from nowhere and take you away from me after all my sufferings. So that was why I kept it away from you. That was why I kept the truth away from you. I'm sorry. Please, find a place in your heart to forgive me. I know I hurt you, but I had to summon courage to tell you the truth. I'm sorry.
Searched for answers, and the truth
Yes, babe.
came into light.
Baby, you know my story. You know everything. I have done everything possible to get pregnant. All to no avail. There is no fertility medication I and Peter haven't taken. We can't depend on what the doctors are saying. According to the doctors, we are okay. And yet, we can't have children. See, babe, please, I don't care. I am on my way now to pick my daughter. It's either Arise kill me or I kill him. Out of these two things, one must happen today. Babe, please. I'm hanging up now, please. I'll get back to you soon. Let me put myself together. Please. All right. See you soon. Thank you.
My family.
Arise. Don't make this hard to me. Don't push me.
Beautiful girl. Good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm very fine, ma. I'm so happy to see you.
Really?
Let me. Ma, please come and have a seat.
Oh.
Yes. You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
Please have a seat.
Thank you for accepting me. Thank you.
I'm so happy to have you here. You're welcome.
Really?
Yes.
Thank you. How are you doing?
I'm very, very fine. And you?
I'm good. My baby, I am so sorry for everything. I know Ben must have told you everything that happened. Please, forgive me. I am your mother.
If I haven't forgiven you, I will not be praying every day to set my eyes on my mother again.
Are you serious?
Yes.
I'm happy. Thank you very much. Thank you. I'm so sorry for everything. The thing is that I was so scared. I wanted to explore my life. That was why I ran away.
It's fine.
I'm here to make it up to you.
I'm telling you that it's fine. I understand everything. Okay?
Alright. Okay. So go get your things. Let's go home. I have prepared a beautiful room for you. I bought you a car and I will send you back to school. Anything you want, I will do it for you.
I appreciate all of these things. But the problem is I can't go home with you today. Because I would like you to come here with my father. And, see the man that has been taking care of me since you were absent. I wouldn't want all of this to end in violence.
If that's what you want, no problem.
And I also want you to pay him off. He has done a lot for me. So you just give him a huge amount of money. Saying thank you.
That is not a problem at all. I would do anything he said. Okay?
Alright.
I'm so happy. Thank you very much.
You're
Please
welcome.
Forgive me.
I've forgiven you, don't worry.
Okay. I have to take my leave now.
Alright. I guess I'll see you off, right?
Oh, sure.
Alright, let's go. Alright.
I'm happy.
I'm very happy as well.
Ada, come. Now, what is the meaning of this? What did you just do?
What did I just do? I just made peace with my mother.
With whose permission? Who permitted you to do such? Did you consult me or consulted your father?
And why do I need your permission to do whatever I want to do?
You should consult me or your father.
You are not my family member. I don't know who you are. Yes. And guess what? I'd rather live with a woman who left me and came back for me than live with people who lie to me every single day of my life. Yes.
You said this to me? Your father must hear this. Ben must hear this. I'm rushing to Ben.
Rush.
Ben! Ben! There is a problem. Hey!
What's the problem? I was about to go to the shop to meet you people. What's the problem now?
Hey, it would have been better you came earlier. Irene is at the shop.
What? Where is Ada?
Ada is there. And guess what? Irene pleaded to Ada to forgive her, and Ada accepted the apology. Yes. At that day, though.
What do you mean at that day? Why? I don't. How possible is that?
Yes. In fact, the only condition that gave was that Irene should go and bring her biological father to come apologize to you and also pay you for all the things you have spent on her. Can you imagine? They have made peace, so they have made peace. They are losing it.
And after everything we suffered, to raise that girl, this is how she wants to pay us back.
She said she wants to move to her family house.
Hey!
To her new parents.
It has happened.
Ben, life is about to happen to us.
I'm so sorry I lied to you. Okay. But trust me, my plans for you is way bigger than what anyone can give to you. Because I lied to you. I'm sorry. But remember, my good deeds are way bigger than my wrong. Come to think of it. I should have dumped you. I suffered because of you. If I didn't love you at all, I would have dumped you. I wouldn't have been there for you to survive. But I took the risk to make sure that you live. She left you with me after 4 days of your delivery. I took care of you. Notwithstanding that you're not my flesh and blood, but I took care of you as a father. Why the hate? I lost my job. I became financially handicapped just because I wanted to be there to see that you survived. I took the risk to make sure that I give you good life, no matter how little it is. I just wanted to have it at the back of your mind that it was all because of you.
I want to go back to my biological parents. How hard is that? Is it even a big deal like that?
I knew a day like this would come. But trust me, I am not going to withhold you. But all I'm saying is this: you cannot go there with a heart of hate against me. It shouldn't be that way. I've done nothing wrong to you. I have apologized to you several times that I'm sorry for lying to you. If you still want to go back to your biological parents, fine, no problem. I wish you well. No problem.
Look, I will not sit down here and listen to you blackmail me emotionally. I won't do that. I just want to go back to my biological parents. And I will. You cannot stop me.
How am I going to feel if this girl leaves me? How?
Ada. Hey. Ada. Ada. Hey. Ada. No, wait. Chimo.
Siva, what happened to my daughter now?
I don't know. I was just going to my shop when I saw her lying unconscious on the floor. I started to bring her to you.
Oh.
Was she sick?
She's not sick now. She's not sick. She's very, very fine. I don't know. Ada, look, Ada, can you hear me? Ada, look, I cannot survive if anything happened to you. I can't survive it.
Then calm down, she'll be fine.
But she has not woken up.
She's breathing.
When you saw her, was she breathing or something? She was breathing.
She's still breathing. She's fine.
Ada, don't do this to me. Oh, Ada, don't do this to me. Ada, don't do this to me. You know what I suffered to get to this level. Please, oh, her leg. Is there an open wound there?
There's no open wound.
Check very well.
See now, there's
there's dust there now. They tell me she fell with her leg now. Check. Is there any open wound there?
There's no open wound.
Ada.
Then can you calm down? Eh?
I cannot calm down. She's not talking to me. She's not talking to me.
She'll be fine.
She's not talking to me. Ada. Sometimes I feel like going into this granite business.
There is money in it now. They're bringing direct from the north.
Hey, you.
Arize, how are you doing?
You are here for the child, right? I suffered. I passed through sufferings because of you. I did not allow you to abort the pregnancy. I took care of you. I pampered you until you gave birth to the child. After giving birth to the child, you ran away. I didn't contact you again. You dismissed. You disappeared. And I lost my job. I lost everything I had. I was financially handicapped because of you. I am not done. What if the child died? What if the child didn't survive? I nurtured her. I watched her grow. I did everything humanly possible that she grew up in health, good health. And now you're here to claim her. And ask again, what if the child didn't survive? What if the child died? Please. Would you have been here to claim the child?
Please. Now listen, young man, please. I want you to name your price. I have enough money to give to you. Please, just name your price. Just name it.
You think it's all about money?
Arize, please, don't make this more difficult than it is already.
Okay.
Just name your price. We will pay you. Baby, how are you doing? Okay. You are ready now?
Yes. Is he my biological father?
Yes, he is. So, can we go?
Just one quick question before we go. I see that he is obviously rich. You know, He has enough money, like he said. Why did you abandon me if you had someone like him?
Okay.
Just a quick question before we go.
Your father here was my ex when I met Arinze. So, along the line, we got acquainted and I forgave him. So, when I got pregnant with you, he said I should abort it and travel with him.
Yeah.
So we can live our lives.
So he said you should abort the pregnancy. Okay.
But
so what happened next?
Thank God I didn't do it.
Oh yeah, thank God, because everything is for a purpose, right?
Yes.
So what happened next?
Okay. I didn't tell him that I couldn't abort the baby. Rather, I told him that I have something important I'm doing, that I will join him after I'm done. So, when I gave birth to you, that was when I left to meet him.
So, why? Why did you leave?
I couldn't do it. I couldn't take care of a child. I didn't want the process to limit me from achieving the things I planned for. But I promise you, I will make things right. Please.
Yeah. Like I said earlier, I've already forgiven you. And that's why I've already packed my bags.
Okay.
Ready to go with you.
Okay.
You left me for these reasons. You just said no, right? You left me for these reasons. But should I tell you something? This man, standing right here, didn't leave me.
Okay.
He isn't my biological father. Yet he gave up everything for me. He's not my biological father. But every day he keeps on treating me like I'm his child. Do you know that this man lost his job, his business, everything because of me? He lost his dignity and value because of me. I mean, he's not my biological father. He has the choice and rights to just drop me and abandon me. Right?
Arinze, I am sorry.
I'm not done. You see that other man sitting right beside him? The same thing happened to him. He was trying to cater for me when his shop got bombed. He lost everything. And since then, he has not stopped. Even at his lowest point, he keeps on caring for me. None of these people are my parents. None of them is my father. So tell me, Mister, I have all the money in the world. Who will you pay back and who will you leave? Because if we're talking about paying back, you have a lot of payback to do. These two people were CEOs before they fell, and you're nothing close to what they were.
Please, find a place in your heart to forgive us. Please.
Of course, that's so easy to say. They're just mere words. Do you know how it feels? And then you're back here to take me away from people who have suffered all their lives for me. Put yourself in their shoes. And you, Mrs. Irene, I want to advise you, for future purposes, having a child does not mean you're your achievements in life will not take place. It's just another phase called motherhood. You understand? Yes, it might delay you, but you will never stop achieving whatever you want to achieve if you really want to achieve it. So you had a chance to experience this phase of life. And what did you do? You abandoned the child. And you decided to explore your life. I heard you saying it the other day. I heard you saying it proudly, and I was looking at you like, what is this woman saying? You were scared of losing your body. You were scared of losing your beauty. You wanted to explore life, really? Really? Can't believe this.
Baby, I'm sorry.
Shh. I'm not done. Do not cut me off. Today, from the depth of my heart, I curse you.
Don't say that, please.
I speak that you will never carry a child in your womb.
Don't say that.
Don't say that.
This your husband
Stay your mother.
will never reproduce ever again.
my daughter,
You will
please.
live childless.
Please don't say that. We are still your parents. My daughter, please.
You're not my
Your
parents.
parents. Don't say that. Please.
You still have the guts to call yourself my parents. These men are my parents. People who cared for me. People who didn't mind losing their business. People who didn't mind losing their body and their beauty. They are my parents. And no matter how hard you try, you will never get me. No matter the number of talks you send, no matter the number of promises you make, I will never follow you. I will always find my way back to these people because they care for me. I don't want you to ever see your face again. Shh. Do not touch me.
I'm sorry.
Don't touch me.
Please forgive.
I want you to leave this house.
Please.
Baby, stop.
Please. Forgive
Because your
me.
4 days old child you left is dead. Just assume she's dead. Because you know that a child born 4 days ago needs care. But you decided to leave her. So just assume she's dead. Because she didn't get the vital nutrients from her mother and care. I mean, you believed me when I told you I was going to leave with you. How can you even believe that? When I told you should come with my biological father to talk to them and pay them off. I'm not that heartless. I only wanted to see the man who requested that you abort the child. I only wanted to look him in the face and tell him how much I hate him. Because Mr. Man, I hate you so much. Leave this house.
Please. I'm here now.
I want you to leave this house in peace. Or should I scream? Don't touch me. Stop touching me. Stop touching me! Get out!
Come on. It's okay. Stop. It's okay. Come on.
Please, I'm still your mother, please.
You are not my mother. Just leave this house.
Aris, I'm so sorry. Please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, please. Please.
Leave.
Aris, please forgive.
I said leave. Leave this house. I don't care if you have a room or you have a car or whatever you have. Just leave. Sir, please leave. Sir, please leave this house. Go.
Maybe find a place.
I said go!
Forgive me, please.
Go!
I want my baby, please.
Get out of this house!
It's okay. I'm happy. I'm happy that you did this for us, okay? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm here for you. I'm here for you.
I'm so sorry.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
I'm so sorry.
It's okay. Stop apologizing, okay? I understand. We're here together forever. Okay? Nobody will take you away from me. I promise you. Okay?
I promise you, Dad, I will never leave your side for anybody, for anything. I will always be here for you. I'm sorry about the things I said and how I said them. I didn't mean any of those. I'm so sorry. I hurt your feelings after everything you've done for me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okezie. I'm sorry for frustrating you. All those things I said were out of ignorance. I'm so sorry.
It's okay.
My family. I searched for answers, and the truth came into light. The man I called my dad wasn't my real sight. He raised me